Hey YouTube, Mr. Supreme Kid 123 here, and I am going to do a review on the Victorinox Adventure Swiss Army knife. Now, I think this is a pretty good knife because it's simple, got everything you need, and it is also a Swiss Army knife that locks. I'm pushing that back pretty hard and it won't budge. And to unlock it, what you do is it's covering the blade right here. So you have to push it down so it's not covering the blade. Fold the blade up so the lock can't come back on.
Yeah, you've been really productive this summer. This is great.
And close it. So the tools it has are can opener and small flathead screwdriver. Let's see if I can zoom in on the screwdriver. You'll see it better this way.
Yeah, you're just out of education library.
So it has the can opener and a screwdriver, a bottle opener, and another flathead screwdriver, this time a bigger one. But you could also use this as a chisel, a thing to scoop stuff out with your nails, whatever you want to use it for. And a wire stripper here.
Yeah.
I guess electricians would use this, or if you're doing something with wires coated with the rubber, stick it in here, and then just pull it, and it'll strip the rubber off for you after you need it, so you can do your wiring. Next it has, well, it wouldn't be a Swiss Army knife without the knife now, would it? This is a pretty good blade. To demonstrate, I have Tim Hortons plastic bottle, which is pretty good plastic. That was peach juice, and I'm going to cut it with this blade. So, it goes right in with a little bit of muscle. And there you go. I just sawed that off just now. Here you go. So there's a good blade. I'm just going to wipe it off.
Where's the operator?
It's a good idea to just wipe it off if you ever get any liquid on it. So I just knocked down the bottle. That way your blade doesn't get rusty or sticky. And it's got the lock on it. Now the lock is also on the bottle opener. I don't see why they put it on an opener, considering it's always pushing the opposite way. But they did. Same thing. Just push it over so it's not covering it. And you can close it. On this side there is a corkscrew, which, well, as you can see, it's corkscrew. Do I really need to demonstrate it? And these are always hard to open on knives. It's one of the pointy things for leather, so poke a hole in your belt, or I don't know, for whatever reason, if you had to poke a hole in a boot or something, leather poke. And then we've got, this is with all Swiss knives, a toothpick, which is the cream colored one on this side, and tweezers, which is some gray one on this side. Now with most Swiss knives, how it's a regular round shape, it's right in the middle, so it doesn't matter what side you put it on. But these, it's got like a little bit of a curve there, so it'll only fit on one side, as I'm about to demonstrate. I'll take the toothpick, it goes from the other side, and it's angled the opposite direction. It won't go in. So, comes in a few colors. I've seen it in red and black, the only two colors, but I know there's probably more. It's got the red and white Swiss crest. I like that one a bit more than the silver one. I think it just looks cool. So yeah, if I had to rate this knife out of 10, I would probably give it a 7, considering the locking blade.
Yeah, nobody else is putting it
And
extreme.
it's got a good can opener and bottle opener. And also, if you pull the blade out, it has these indents for your fingers. So I would give it a 7 out of 10. If there are any improvements I think they could make, probably be a wood saw blade. It's called the Adventure, so for going out on hikes and stuff, I guess. I think there is also a hiker knife. I think a wood saw would be a good thing to add, and a Phillips screwdriver, because that's a pretty popular screw. And it also has a key ring, so it's a really good knife, and I would recommend this knife to people. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe.